Most riders get this wrong every single year. After months off your motorcycle, it might look perfectly fine, but there are a few hidden things that can seriously mess up your first ride, or even worse, put you at risk. Before you even think about turning that key, let me show you exactly what you need to check, because skipping this could cost you a lot more than you think. One of the more important things to check before you go on your first spin when the season starts is tires. It's the only thing keeping you and the bike on the road, so make sure that these are within the tread limit, there's no cracks, and that the pressure is what it's meant to be. You can use one of these pressure gauges that can be bought on Amazon, any bike shop as well, and they can tell you the pressure fairly quickly. Relatively cheap and compact, it's definitely a must-have for any biker at any skill level. If you check the pressure and it's lower than expected, if you have an air compressor, you can use a gun like this, or you can get a pump like this on Amazon for a couple of quid and pump up your tire pressures to the expected values. Another thing that should be in every biker's tool set, this little pump is relatively cheap, small, acts as a torch and a power bank as well. Another major thing to check is brakes, both front and back. So if you have paddock stands, spin the wheel, slam on the brake, make sure that everything works as expected, and also check the fluid. If you have one of these socks, make sure to take it off, check the fluid, and also check the brake pressure. If you don't have the luxury of a paddock stand, then something that I recommend, and I always do, is to just hop on the bike and make sure to play around with the front and rear brake, testing that it stops the bike, feels as it should, and responds correctly. Make sure to also check your chain, condition of it, the sprockets, and the play as well. So mine needs to be adjusted. And also, if you haven't done an oil change during the off season, make sure to check your oil as well. Lights are another thing to check after the winter layup. Make sure that your headlights, your indicators work, and also that your brake light responds correctly for both the front and the rear brake. So the bike is ready, but are you? Get your gear on, make sure you put on enough gear to be warm if it's still cold out, and the only other thing to do is to hop on the bike and go for that first season spin. So, on your first spin back on the bike, it'll be at least 2 or 3 months since you've last ridden. You will be rusty, there's no question about it. You're not going to be as sharp, as quick, the responses are not going to be there, the mindset's not going to be there. So on your first spin back, there's going to be a lot of excitement, a lot of adrenaline, a lot of, get up and go. But you need to control it. You need to remember that it's been a while since you were on the bike. If you're not an all-season rider, there's going to be things that can potentially catch you out. The mindset's not going to be there to handle all of the situations that you possibly could have handled back in the summer when you were on your A game, when everything was fresh, when you were in the zone. So just be mindful when you're out on your first spin that, it's been a while. Get used to the bike again, get used to the roads again, get used to the traffic again. Whether you're on a 1000cc, whether you're on a 600 or a 125, everything applies. It's all fun and games until it isn't, and I speak from experience. Another Another big thing to be mindful of is the road condition and some of the roads that maybe you frequent on the bike but not in the car. For example, things could have changed. Like for example, those speed bumps, for the past, I don't know, 10 years of my life, they were never there. And if they brought them in after the season ended, for example, during the winter, then they could really easily catch me out. Same for things like tractors, you know. Season's only starting, but those guys, they never rest, so they're always out. They might not be looking out for you, but you should be looking out for them. The road condition, again, tractors can put shite on the road. Depending on where you live, the roads could be cold as well, so that would be something to take into consideration on how you ride or where you ride. Obviously, if you have traction control ABS, make sure to avail of them, not like me. And another big thing then is take it easy when you're going into corners. You know, you don't have to be going full lean angle. Again, depending what you ride, where you ride, just enjoy the first spin back. Get comfortable with the bike, get comfortable with the roads, read the road conditioning as well, and just expect the unexpected, I guess. Another big thing to look out for, and one of the more important things, is other drivers. So as you can see here, he pulled out on me. Again, no big deal for me, but just expect it. If the season's only starting, the bikes aren't out as much, so people aren't, I suppose, paying attention to them. The brains haven't switched on yet to look out for bikers, to expect bikers. During the summer, most people have their windows down, which kind of helps, you know, hear them as well. In the colder months, they're obviously going to have the windows up, heating on, so if you don't have a loud bike, you know, be extra careful. Make sure that you're thinking for them and they're not thinking for you or of your life, essentially. Take your life into your own hands and not theirs. So don't expect them to know that you're coming. Don't expect them to know that you're coming fast if you are, because that's what leads to people getting killed. So those are the kind of three main things that I would say you need to look out for when you're out on your first spin back from, let's say, a winter break, or if you haven't been on the bike in quite some time. Your first spin, you're going to be rusty. Make sure you take it handy, get used to the bike again, get used to basically the road riding in general. The road condition is going to be crap. It's going to be cold depending where you are. There's going to be dirt and gravel and things like that all over the place, so just take it handy whenever you're going into corners. Think things through and, you know, give yourself a fighting chance for a good and long season as well. And lastly, be wary of the drivers in cars. They don't expect you, they haven't been switched on yet, the season's only starting, you're probably one of the first bikers out as well, so just make sure that, you know, you're taking that into consideration when you're making your choices. So yeah, apart from that, hope everybody has a unbelievable season. Get out as much as you can, go to all the meetups, go to all the track days, all the events, all the charity spins, etc, etc, and I hope to see you guys out on the road. It's been your boy 991, and I'm out. Peace.